In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers on MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to open MailerLite and log in to your account. If you don't have your login details handy, make sure you grab those so we can get started without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's a pretty user-friendly interface, which makes navigation easier. Next, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options there, and what we want to focus on is the option labeled Subscribers. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all your subscribers. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it contains all the essential information about the people who are subscribed to your email lists. Now, here's where you'll want to locate the specific subscriber you intend to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have many subscribers. Being able to search can save you a lot of time. Once you find the subscriber, you will see a checkbox right next to their name. Go ahead and tick that checkbox. This action signifies that you've selected that particular subscriber for deletion. After ticking the box, look above the subscriber list. You will see a toolbar with various options. Click on the one that says Actions. This menu provides you with several choices regarding what you can do with the selected subscriber. It's quite handy for managing your list efficiently. Once you click on Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select the option that says Delete. Now here's a crucial step. Upon clicking Delete, MailerLite will typically ask you to confirm your decision. This is important because once you delete a subscriber, that action is permanent. Think of it as a safety net to ensure that you don't accidentally remove anyone you didn't mean to. So take a moment to review your selection. If you're sure that you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you've confirmed just like that, the subscriber will be removed from your active account list. It's a seamless process, but it's important to know that you've now taken that subscriber off your mailing list. Remember that deleting a subscriber does not just remove them from your list. It also means they will no longer receive your newsletters or any future emails you send. And that, my friends, is how you delete subscribers on MailerLite. The process might seem simple, but managing your lists effectively is crucial for maintaining a healthy email strategy. Keeping your subscriber list clean makes for better open rates and engagement overall, leading to improved performance for your email campaigns. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and, of course, subscribe for more insights and tips. In the world of email marketing, every little detail counts, and staying informed about managing your subscribers can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your email marketing endeavors. Until next time, keep learning and improving.